Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in perspective. Draw a horizon, place one vanishing point, and set the Jeep's ground plane. Sketch a simple rectangular prism for the main body to get proportions. Once done, mark wheel centers and the wheelbase distance so everything aligns. Make quick vertical guides for windshield and rear wall to keep the box orthogonal. These steps create the 3D framework that makes subsequent detailing logical and accurate. Now refine the prism into a Jeep silhouette. Carve the hood slope and pronounced fenders using curved construction lines. You should shape the windshield at a steep angle and map the roofline and door seams so panels read in perspective. Once those forms sit right, replace wheel center marks with ellipses that follow the ground plane. This makes tires look round in space. Make sure the bumper and spare wheel volumes read as separate solids rather than flat outlines before detailing. To finish, commit to final lines. Ink the grille slats, headlights, door handles, and roll bars with confident strokes while keeping lighter interior marks. Then add shading, use hatching or soft gradients, to indicate form curvature and a clear cast shadow under the chassis. Make highlights on glass and chrome to sell material differences. If something looks off, compare symmetric elements and adjust wheel ellipses or roof pitch. A small alignment tweak usually fixes perspective errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.